In this video, I will show you how to use the select statement in your database. The select statement allows you to select data from one or more tables. To write a select statement in MySQL, you use this one. Select asterisk from and then the employees. Then after that, after you type all of this, we're going to execute it. And you will see that the data are inside of the table. The first thing you need to do is to specify one or more columns from which you want to select data after the select keyword. And second is specify the name of the table from which you want to select data after the from keyword. Using semicolon is optional because it denotes the end of the statement. If you have two or more statements, you need to use the semicolon to separate them so that MySQL will execute each statement individually. The select and from are the keywords. By convention, you write the SQL keywords in uppercase. However, it's not mandatory because SQL is case insensitive. You can write the SQL statement in the lowercase, uppercase, etc. Now we are using the MySQL select statement to retrieve data from a single column. Like for example, we're going to use the select statement to select the first name of all employees. Then we need to type the first name after the select statement and then execute it, and you will see that there it is, the first name. The result of a select statement is called a result set, as it's a set of rows that result from the query. Next is using MySQL select statement to query data from multiple columns. Like for example is uses the select statement to get the first name, last name, and then execute it. And you will see that inside the table there is a first name and their last name. So let's add their email. So type the email and you will see that it will here first name, last name, and the email. And the last is using the MySQL select statement to retrieve data from all columns. Example is, if you want to select data from all the columns of the employees table, you can specify all the columns names in the select clause, like select first. You will see that it will first, then we're going to retrieve all the columns of the employees table. So first is employees name, and then after that we are going to set here their extension and then the email, then the office code, and then after that is reports to, and the last is their job title. So when you're done, execute it. And here is the result. Starting their number, their names, extension, email, office code, and reports to, and then the job title. You will see it here. Then and guys, the other techniques here to return data from all the columns without typing all of this, without typing this, you can use the asterisk, which is the shorthand for all columns, because the select is often called select star or select all, since it selects data from all columns of the table. So let's try it again. This asterisk has a main role. Then execute it and you will see the result that all data is in the table. Then that's all for today. Thank you for watching.